Welcome to this tutorial, where I will guide you on how to change the language in the Viber app on your phone. If you prefer using Viber in a different language, or want to switch it back to your native tongue, this simple process will help you customize your app settings quickly and easily. First, open the Viber app on your phone. Once you're inside the app, look at the bottom right, tap on More. This will open a menu with several options. Next, tap on Settings to access the app's settings. Inside the Settings menu, continue scrolling until you find the General option. Then tap on it. This section contains various basic settings for the app, including the language option. Then tap on Language. You will see a list of available languages to choose from. Browse through the list and select the language you want to use for your Viber app. After selecting the language, confirm your choice by clicking the OK icon, which is usually located at the top right corner. Finally, the app will update to the language you have chosen, and you can start using Viber in that language immediately.